Looking to upgrade your classroom, meeting room, or creative workspace in 2025? Digital whiteboards are smarter, sharper, and more interactive than ever before. Whether you're teaching, brainstorming, or collaborating with remote teams, we've rounded up the best digital whiteboards you can get this year. Let's dive into the top picks. First up is the ViewSonic 65-inch touchscreen monitor. Brings high-quality interactivity at a more accessible price point. With 4K UHD resolution, responsive touch input, and a durable build, it's ideal for schools, hybrid classrooms, or business presentations. It's easy to set up, supports annotation and content sharing, and works with Windows or Android platforms depending on your workflow. If you want a solid, well-rounded touchscreen monitor that's big but not overwhelming, this one hits the sweet spot. Great value for a high-performing touchscreen. Link in the description. Now let's talk about the ELO 4304L, a 43-inch touchscreen signage display that's a favorite in corporate and retail spaces. It uses PCAP, projected capacitive, anti-friction glass with up to 40 simultaneous touch points, making it incredibly responsive and durable. It's not just a display, it's built to handle kiosks, interactive directories, and even in-meeting collaboration with ease. The 1920 by 1080 resolution is full HD, not quite 4K, but it's sharp, and the compact size makes it perfect for desks, walls, or signage stands. Perfect for business environments needing a reliable, touch-friendly interface. Link in the description. Last but not least, the LG 55-inch TR 3DK-B.MUSQ offers the same 4K UHD, clarity, and multi-touch functionality, but in a smaller footprint. It includes 3 HDMI ports, RGB input, and audio in-out options, making it a flexible display for classrooms, hybrid meeting rooms, or design studios. Like its larger siblings, it's optimized for whiteboarding, annotations, and screen mirroring. The smaller size is perfect for tighter spaces while still offering the performance and touchscreen responsiveness you need for day-to-day operations. Ideal for small to mid-sized teams. Check the link for more. LG CreateBoard 75 TR3DK-B, a 75-inch 4K UHD LED backlit touchscreen display built specifically for education and business. It supports multi-touch gestures, making it perfect for interactive lessons, presentations, and group work. Running on Android OS, it's equipped with built-in whiteboarding software and tools to annotate, write, and present in real time. It also supports wireless screen sharing, so students or team members can cast directly from their devices. The 2160p resolution ensures crystal clear visuals, and with LG's robust build quality, this is a long-term investment for high-performance collaboration. Check the link in the description to see full specs and pricing. If you want even more screen real estate, the LG 86-inch CreateBoard model 86TR 3DK-B.Y USQ is a fantastic step up. This massive display is designed for large classrooms and boardrooms. It runs on Android 11 OS, includes built-in whiteboarding and casting tools, and supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for seamless connectivity. You can pair it with styluses, smart devices, or even voice assistants, making it a perfect centerpiece for interactive, tech-powered environments. The large format doesn't sacrifice clarity. It's still 4K UHD and delivers brilliant visuals across the full screen. It's everything you want in a modern, multi-touch teaching or conferencing solution. Link in the description if you're ready to go big with your setup. All product links are down in the description. Click through to compare and find what works best for your needs. And let us know in the comments, which one would you use in your classroom or office?